Born on July 27, 1938 in the village of Ақсу-Айлы, Чес district, Karaganda region. In the family is the firstborn. There is also a brother and 5 sisters. My father taught me to be critical of psychopaths, to what you see, instilled a love for excel sciences. Thanks to him, since childhood I have always had my own opinion about the events. He was a very demanding person. Mom gave us love and affection. She was a housewife, loves everyone, did not scold anyone, played the dombra and sang. She was accustomed us to home comfort wards. Graduated from the Faculty of Physics and Mathematics of the Karaganda Pedagogical Institute. He began his career in 1961 at Pedagogical Institute. First, he worked as an assistant, then as a teacher. A year later, he left for Alma-Ata for an internship at the Kazakh State University. In 1968, he completed his postgraduate studies. A year later, he defended his dissertation and became a candidate of physical and mathematical sciences.
The worked as a teacher, head of the department, deputy dean,